What's up, everybody? TDBaseballcards here. Today we're going to open up a blaster box of Leaf Lone Star Lone Star Women's Softball. This is Texas, University of Texas. We got 30 cards per box, and we should have 2 autographs per box. Let's see what we can find. All right. So we got some of these. All right, here's our first auto, Estella's check. And another auto, Victoria Hunt. Number 21 out of 49. All right, we got the base. All right, it's not bad for that box. There's our 2 autos. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one.